So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see your TikTok watch history. So if you've been scrolling on TikTok like this and suddenly you moved out from TikTok or cleared TikTok from your background and going back to TikTok like this, you're unable to see the video you were actually watching. So this is how you can see your watch history. You can click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen like this. When you do that, click on dot. Just go ahead and type dot and click on the search button. So search for dots like this and you're going to be able to see where it says view your watch history. So clicking on view your watch history like this, you are going to be able to see the videos. Looking here, you can see that this was the last video I watched before moving out. So this is my watch history. These are the videos I've watched today. So this is how simple it is to view your watch history. You can click on filtered by date or filtered by yesterday, last week, month, depending on the history you want to actually view. So this is how simple it is for you to view your watch history on TikTok. I like this video. I know you find this guide helpful. Subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.